my name's James Nicholson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited. I've got some good news for you and I want to share that with all of you today. Now, there is a solution that could make your mortgage payments that way bit more affordable. Jeremy Hunt, make sure you say that correctly, a lot of newsreaders don't. Jeremy Hunt has come to an agreement with the banks and the lenders today. And this is something that we really need to get the news out about, because last night, had multiple comments on yesterday's video about actually how you could get your mortgage done a little early, and people weren't aware of that. And so some of you had shared my videos with your friends. One of the guys commented on there saying he just got agreed a way better deal. So please share this video. How could you share it? Maybe you could click the share button below, put it on your Facebook wall. Maybe you've got Twitter, maybe you've got Instagram, maybe WhatsApp it to some people that you know need to get their mortgage sorted and they're feeling a bit stressed with what's going on. While you're here, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. And another way we can get more people to watch this video is smash that like button, guys. I'm really excited about this video, as you can tell. Smash that like button over there and comment below, even if it's to say hello or good news or bad news, whatever you think. Any engagement with the video will really help push it out to more people. And watch till the end. So, Jeremy Hunt has met with banks today, and there hasn't really been a plan for this mortgage crisis. But whether you like the Conservatives or not, and I think they're going to go out in the next general election, this has worked quite well. What they've come up with is a really good solution, and they've acted very fast on this, which is nice to see, because this needed to happen. They needed to put some certainty. Now, I feel that this is probably the biggest step of all the different schemes and scams that the government have. I think this is probably one of the best. And I would equate it to similar to the bounce back loans that businesses had during the pandemic. I think this will make a big difference. So the government has put out a 3-step policy, and this has been agreed with the banks. Most lenders have taken this on board. And so I have to look down just to make sure I've got this right. So a homeowner can approach their lender and change from repayment mortgage to interest only at any time. So switch to interest only. That's going to make a big difference. I'm going to go into that in a minute. And so what else have we got? So you can also get advice from your bank at any time. And so that's important, that they can help you. And any advice or conversations that you have won't impact your credit score. That's very important. So you'll be able to extend the loan. That's good as well. So you will be able to extend the mortgage. Now, I know some of you are going to comment below and say that's not great. You're going to pay more interest. It's going to take longer to pay it off. But you know what? Right now, just surviving for some people is the best thing, right? Just surviving. And if we can stop people getting repossessed, that's great. Number 3, this one is important. Very important. 12 months for repossessions. So they can't repossess you until there is a more than a 12-month problem with your mortgage. That is going to help a ton of people. It was 3 months before, and then it went to 6 months, and now it's gone to a whole year. That is really going to give people some breathing room, and I think that is going to be the big win. Now let's have a look at some examples here. So I've already drawn a little chart here, because I thought if I drew it live on the video, I'd mess it up. So I've made it a bit neater. So this is a mortgage for a house that's worth £300,000, which is a common house. A lot of people have that. It's nearly average. So it's a £300,000 value house with a mortgage of £200,000, meaning they've got £100,000 in equity in that property. That is probably a similar number to a lot of people have. And I've looked on Money Supermarket at mortgage rates that are there today. So what deals can you get today? So let's just assume this person has had their mortgage for a little while, right? So they've had the mortgage and they've got 10 years left on their mortgage. Now, if they were to look at the best rate on the market at the moment, if they owe £200,000 and they do it on a repayment mortgage, which is what you do on residential, their monthly payments would be £2,053, which is probably more than they're paying now. But that's the best deal that you can get on the market now. Now, what's good here with this new policy is you can switch to interest only for a period of time of your choosing. That makes a big difference. Now, that means that you're not paying off the debt, but you are giving yourself the breathing room. And what you could do, and what I would do if I was in financial difficulty, is switch on to interest only. And then the savings, which is around £1,300. So if you switched on to interest only on a 10-year deal, it will go down to £790. That's the best deal you can get in the market today. £790, which is maybe what you're paying now or less. So that could actually be saving people some money here, and they're around £1,200 better off. Now, what I would do is try and save that £1,200 if you're worried about paying down the debt. There's nothing to stop you paying that 12 grand or 14 grand or whatever it is at the end of the year. If you choose to pay down the debt on your mortgage, you can do that, but then it's your choice. But if something comes up, like you get made redundant, or the gas and electric go up again, or food inflation doesn't come down, you're building up a war chest and a kitty. Now, I think that's really, really important, and I want to make sure that you understand this. We're going to look at some other options here, but I really want you guys to share this video today. I don't ask that very often, but please do share this video wherever you can with anyone that this would help. I think this is really powerful, this, right? So you can get £2,053 on a repayment mortgage. You can switch to interest only, saving you £1,200 a month. Gold dust. That's going to save a ton of repossessions. And even if you're getting in financial difficulty, you've now got 12 months to figure it out rather than 6. That's good. Next, anybody can extend the loan on their mortgage. No questions asked. I've tried to do this with one of my mortgages actually recently. The term was short. I just wanted to extend it. I didn't want to do extra borrowing on that property. They wouldn't do it. They would not extend it. They wouldn't do any of this stuff. But now they don't have a choice. Now I can go back to them and I can say, you know what? I've got 5 years left on this. I want to whack it up to 25 years just to bring my monthly payments right down. That is going to make a big difference. So let's have a look. Let's say that you owe 200 grand. You were on a 10-year deal, but you want to extend it back up. If you put it back up to 25 years, you'll halve your monthly payments. Halve your monthly payments. You'll still be paying down some of the debt, not as quick because you're doing it over 25 years rather than 10, but you're halving your payments down to 1,088. Give or take. I know someone's going to say in the comments, that's not half. It's close enough, right? It's close enough. Halving your payments, but you're still in control of the asset. You then can save that extra money and use it for other things. This is really, really good. You could switch to interest only. Why doesn't that change? The amount on interest only on 10 years or 25 years is still $790, and that's because you're only paying the interest. So it doesn't matter if the loan is for 1 year or a million years, it will always be $790. It's the interest amount for that year that you're going to be paying down. Now, this gives people a ton of options. This is really, really, I absolutely hats off to Jeremy Hunt for this. I think this is a great move and will make a big difference to a lot of people, and that's really, really powerful. So what we're saying here in summary is if you're on a 10-year deal, look at reducing to interest only, right? That's your option. Save that money, and then if you feel at the end of the year you're still doing okay financially, then pay down some of that money off your mortgage debt. That's one option. The second option is change the term back up to 25 years. That doesn't mean you're in debt for 25 years. It just means for this year or next year, you're on a 25-year loan. And then when you remortgage in 2 years or 3 years, once this is all behind us, when the interest rates are lower again, then you can bring it down to 10 years if your goal is to pay off your mortgage. Even if you extend it to 25 years, even if you extend it to 25 years, you can overpay at any time. You can overpay 10% of your mortgage. So if you pay 200, if you owe 200 grand here, you can pay off 20 grand of that a year anyway, right? Which is you wouldn't have been doing if you were just doing the repayment. So it makes sense to give yourself that financial security. Now, the good thing with this is none of this impacts your credit rating. That's important because people won't do it otherwise. It's fast, it's quick, it's going to be like getting a bounce back loan. I had a bounce back loan in my business during the pandemic. I got the money the next day. This is how this is looking to be processed. Fast, efficient. This is going to make a big difference to a lot of people during these difficult times. So make sure you understand any questions you've got. Maybe watch this video again, but let's get the message out on this. I've seen some articles about this online. It's not clear and concise. Hopefully my explanation makes a little bit more sense. Please share this video with lots of people, guys, who want to get the message out there. Like the video, comment, go and check out all the other content on my channel, including this video right here.